Hi guys and welcome back. This reading is for the zodiac sign of Gemini. So if you have your sun, moon rising or your Saturn is sitting in the sign of Gemini, this is the reading for you. The first card that I have for you guys is the 10 of Pentacles. So somebody has recently either gotten a promotion or very soon you are going to get one, but I do see some significant cash inflow that is coming towards you. Something is going to be more stable, or something will have a more solid foundation in your life. Some of you might also be planning to start a family, or you've recently had a baby, but something along those lines is very prominent for you. Gemini for June. The next card that I have for you guys is the 10 of Chalices. So definitely, many of you have either got engaged, you've got married, something has happened, or there is a sense that you are going to be married. So that kind of news, that sense of having a family, that sense of having people around you is very prominent. Either people might be visiting you, you might be visiting your family, but it does seem like a lot of the energy that's going to happen this month is about completion of cycles. It's about being close to people and having a family and keeping just being happy within your family. At the bottom of the deck I have the Four of Chalices. With the Four of Chalices, I do feel like despite having family all around, there is somebody that you're missing, and there's some kind of hurt that has happened in the past that you're not letting through. There's this opportunity knocking at the door, but you kind of don't want to leave this sense of comfort, that sense of peace that you are having in the background to move forward and to bring this person in, or this opportunity. Don't think of it as a person, but rather think of it as a business opportunity. The next card that I have for you guys is the Queen of Wands. So I do find you guys, you're very passionate. You really want to do something. You want to have your own thing going on. You have that sense of passion. You have that creativity going on. But I think it's either from the family, or there is some kind of thing, from your personal life that's pulling you back and that's not letting you, fly like a bird and be your true self. So if that is happening, guys, please pay close attention. The next card that I have for you guys is the Page of Pentacles. See, you have the magic, you have the power, and because the dog has appeared a couple of times, many of you guys, either you have a dog, you might be planning to get a pet, and usually when you get a pet, your sixth house in your natal charts gets activated, and when it gets activated, that means you start doing well in your job because you start taking more initiatives. It activates your sixth house. So if that is where this is going, well, this is a clear indication that you really need to activate your sixth house, which is related to your routine work, being very organized. Maybe you guys, because of the pandemic, are not being very organized in your life, and this reading is a reminder to be more organized, because you have the ability, you have the passion, and you have the magic to create what it is that you want to create. Definitely for some of you, I do see an opportunity or a news coming or an announcement coming in terms of the money that you can make in the future, as well as some kind of um, news about a new client or a new partnership that is also very important. At the bottom of the deck, I have the King of Chalices again. This card is telling me that you guys, this is the kind of energy you emit. You give off this energy of being king, of being happy, of being very self-fulfilling. But at the same time, this energy, you only get this energy when you are able to fulfill the energy, or you're able to supply the right kind of energy from the back. So make sure you pay attention to that, moving forward. And yeah, just try not to get too overwhelmed, or not to let others decide what you have to do in your life, because there does seem like to be a very strong energy coming from your family, coming from your relationship, that would be somewhat influencing your career. The next card that I have for you is the Six of Wands. So if you're able to control all this energy with Six of Wands, it's telling me you will be able to get some kind of recognition. Now here you have the power to create magic, and because of this magic you are going to get the recognition from people. People are going to look towards you and they'll be like, I want to be like him or her. So depends who's watching it. They'll look at you like, with a sense of jealousy as well, because you have what they want to have, and that should put you on this level where you are able to help other people, and you can actually go out and talk to them and tell them, that this is what I want and this is something that is significant for you. The next card that I have for you guys is the Star. So 100% goals are going to be achieved. You have the capacity, you have everything at the moment. Just make sure you're able to balance your personal life and your career life. At the bottom of the deck I have the Three of Pentacles. Again, this is a card which shows that you are going to be working with a team. It could be a new team, or you could be using your new skills. So for many of you people who are looking for a job, I do see chances of getting a job, especially related to what you have studied. So if you guys have recently studied data science, you're recently studying, something to do with HR, you're studying something to do with digital marketing, or any of these are just examples. Well, I do see it coming through very, very quickly. You getting a job, and especially being recognized for the skills that you have and being awarded. So some kind of appreciation, either in form of paper, either digitally, or in a newspaper or something like that, in media, is happening for sure. Now another thing I'm kind of seeing is that there are a lot of animals that are showing up in your card. So if you have an animal, that's a very good thing. If you are planning to get one, or adopt one, that is also amazing. But looking at these cards, my only suggestion as a remedy to you would be, make sure that you donate to some kind of animal charities or animal foundations. This will definitely help you with your career. From Moonology deck, the messages, sorry, from Moonology deck, the messages that I have for you guys are, the first card that I have for you is, nothing will come out of this situation. Remember when I said that if you pay too much attention to your family, too much, you're being influenced by them, you will not know where your life is going. So make sure you are able to have a very balanced approach, because you guys are meant for something great. You guys are meant to do something amazing. You have the Star card, you have the Six of Wands, and then you got the Three of Pentacles, and you will feel this energy of feeling accomplished, of feeling confident towards the end of the month. The next card that I have for you guys is, your commitment is being tested. Remember when I said, again, it's amazing when the cards you draw are, there's a strong coincidence and synchronicity that your family, your personal life is having a big issue, which is why some of you might not be able to commit to your job properly, because you're too focused on them, or you are being um, somewhat pressured to stick to a particular job or to do something and not explore your passionate side, because these two cards are all about passion. And then you have the chalices, which are water sign. Water sign also flows. Water listens to your heart. It's not the mind energy. Everything here is coming from the heart. So make sure you listen to your heart and not just to one side of the story. um, do let me know if this reading resonates, and I'll see you guys next time.